Hello guys, welcome back to Madam K's Kitchen. Come in, come in. If you've been here before, thank you for coming back. If you haven't, welcome. Let's go on this journey together, cooking lovely, tasty, affordable food. I'm making soup today, but it's a different type of soup. So the thing that I've started off with is boiling my chicken in chunks of onion, black pepper and garlic, and then I've got lamb there as well, cooking in the same ingredients, chunks of onions, garlic and black pepper. It's been cooking for a while, so we'll check in again. First protein I'm going to work with is the chicken, so I'm going to switch it off and put it in my bowl. I forgot to say this when I was recording, but please put your broth aside for a later step. So, because it's really hot, you can wait for it to cool down, but I don't. So it's just really, look, it's so well cooked. It's basically just coming off the bone. And you don't throw away the bones, you keep them in your soup. It's just to add to that lovely taste. So I'm going to put that back in the pot and just give it a bit of a fry, and then we'll go to the next stage then. Our vegetables is take the broth that we took from our lamb, so from our protein, and put it in a large pot. So that broth is lovely because it's got garlic, it's got onion, it's got the flavors from the lamb and the flavors from the chicken. And we're going to add our potatoes, and then we add in our all seasoning stock. Add our beef stock, and then just mix it together. Add a bit of mild curry. So it will probably be a tablespoon worth of curry. It's just to give it a little bit of a kick and just have those beautiful flavors getting in there. Not too much because it's not a curry. We're just using the curry for flavor. And then we're going to cover our pot. Let our potatoes cook for just probably 5 minutes, and then we'll add our carrots and our cabbage will be last. So we close our pot and then cook. It's now been 5 minutes, so we're going to add our carrots. Let's check in and see how it's going. Oh, look at that. Those ingredients coming together. The next thing to do now is to add our cabbage. Cabbage is not really going to cook for a long time. It cooks really quick, and you also want it to retain that crunch and these lovely green colors. Look at that. That is beautiful. And our potatoes are still cooking, and by the time we're done here, they will be nice and soft. Our lamb into our vegetables. Mix it in, and I'm going to add our chicken. Everything is in the pot now, your vegetables, your broth, your chicken, your lamb, and like I said, with the lamb you can substitute that for beef or for any other red meat. So we're just going to let it simmer on low heat for 5 minutes, let all the ingredients come together and incorporate, and just get together. It tastes really lovely because I've just had a taste of the broth. Lovely for a day like today. We're going to have this with tiger bread, or you can have it with homemade bread, or any other type of bread that you like. Is going to be a lovely dish for dinner. So yes. Okay, let's check in the last time. It's been simmering for around 5 minutes now on low heat. Look at that. This is beautiful. Beautiful. And obviously with the bones of the chicken that I just left in there for a beautiful taste, you can now remove them. I just wanted it to add to the broth because bones have a lovely flavors that come with it. So take out the bones before you serve. Enjoy. See you next time. Please subscribe, like, comment. Let's learn together, whether it's something that you feel is missing or something that you really liked, or if you try it and you know you love it, please say something. Let's learn together, let's explore, and thank you very much for watching.